Good afternoon, dear subscribers and our guests.
Thank you for being with us.
The best smoothies for hormonal balance. As we all know, hormonal balance affects our metabolism, energy, mood, sleep, skin, and immune system. And honestly, I could go on. It basically affects everything. These smoothies, made from simple everyday ingredients, will gently support your hormones through nutrition, no supplements, no pills, no chemicals. Thanks to zinc, magnesium, healthy fats, and vitamins. They're suitable for everyone, both women and men. Nutty support. Banana, peanut butter, milk, cinnamon, cocoa. It fills you up, calms you down, and nourishes both the nervous system and sexual function. 260 calories.
Green reset.
Spinach, avocado, apple, cucumber, coconut water. Packed with folates, magnesium, and electrolytes. Works as a gentle detox. 880 calories. Chocolate boost. Banana, cocoa, honey, almond milk, pinch of salt. Lifts your mood and supports dopamine production. 230 calories. Mango balance. Mango, coconut oil, milk, flaxseed, ginger supports gut health, reduces inflammation, and gives you an energy boost. $260 Zinc power. Banana, pumpkin seeds, date, plant-based milk, lemon juice. Boosts reproductive health and immunity. 200 kesal. Blend everything in a blender and drink one smoothie of your choice once a day in the morning. They're especially beneficial during seasonal transitions and times of stress. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel.